begin, we start with a healing for the world, because this is what the music is about, healing the world.
healing for
Someone asked me what I would like to hear. I'd like to hear that we no longer have to fear this planet getting a little warmer every year. Amazon rainforest getting chopped every day. Arctic glacier just a melting away. Nuclear radiation all in the ocean. Shh, don't talk about it. We don't wanna cause no commotion. I'd like to see this world peaceful, happy, free. I'd like to see us come together and save the bumblebee. You know, because if it disappears, then so do we. So we got to think about how we're gonna save this world from all kinds of other things, including tyranny. We got to get together, keep us happy, free, and build a world for the next generation. Thank you.